competitive, well-achieved, maraming achievements.
Parang ako.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nari.
Oh, may cute mo. And so for today's vlog ay papanoorin pa rin natin ang Journey to the Crown Challenge entry ng isa sa mga delegates for Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024. This time it's going to be Hiyas ng San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, Reina Marie Berdera Sazon. Yung kanyang video kasi has 92,000 views at that time na napanood natin siya, and pasok din siya sa top 20 for this challenge. And in this challenge, they talk about themselves and then they introduce themselves as well, showcasing their talent and skills. Without any further ado, let's watch this.
This is Reina Marie Berdera Sazon. Yes, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur.
And this video shares a glimpse of my authentic self.
Hello, Mabuhay Philippines. You can call me Ina. I am 23 and I graduated as magna cum laude at Philippine Normal University Mindanao, where I took bachelor in secondary education, major in mathematics. During my university days, I was a student leader and journalist. I am also a DOST scholar, kaya everything I do ay para sa bayan. Currently, I am now working as Special Science Teacher 1 at the Agusan del Sur National Science High School. More of my profession will be seen on the next video, so stay tuned. And one of the things I considered as talent and skills, apart from singing, dancing, hosting, and modeling, is content creating. I really love talking on screen, documenting my everyday life, promoting local businesses through videos, and video editing. Siguro, ako pa yung ma-editan eh. Anyway, apart from my 7 to 5 work, I also tutor students. In my free time, I love solving Sudoku puzzles, tackling Rubik's Cube, and working on math problems. Because math has always been my first love, and these activities improves my skills in critical thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. In my leisure time, I do jogging, home workout, reading, journal writing, listening to podcasts, and content creating. So stay tuned for next week's video. Paalam!
Nice, maganda yung tsaka hindi na mahirap sa kanya yung gawin yung ganong video, di ba? Showcasing kung ano yung ginagawa niya, or just simply introduce herself. And she did it, entertaining talaga.
Yung flying colors.
Yes. Di ba? Ang galing. Like,
I have to commend the energy and yung sa mga ganyang content kasi kailangan mo talaga mag-entertaining ka, true and true, end-to-end, ganyan. So, ang galing niya. Plus, ano pa siya, tawag dito, anong tawag mo dun sa mga estudyante na magagaling, competitive, well-achieved, maraming achievements.
parang ako.
Like, achiever! Ayan, Bayan, hindi mo naman alam yung tinutumbok ko.
Achiever! Hindi mo naman ako binigyan ng chance na sambitin ko. Wow. So, ayun, nakakatuwa. Not your typical na beauty queen.
Yes.
Talagang pinrioritize yung studies with flying colors, and now doing her job and then sharing kung ano yung knowledge niya, mga natutunan niya sa future generations. So, it was great and napaka lively and very positive. Yung sinasabi natin na ang saya nung energy ng katawan mo if you start the day early and then positive lang. Always. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kami sa nag-gang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!